Hi, I'm Bob. Welcome back to the tutorial on the textbook Microeconomics Theory and Applications with Calculus, the 5th edition by Professor Jeffrey Perloff. Today, we will tackle the challenge section in Chapter 12 about pricing and advertising. In the first question, we will give an explanation based on price discrimination for why the store conducts regular sales. That is because the store wants to sell the products to people with different reservation prices. It charges people with relatively high reservation prices with the regular prices. In addition, it captures people with relatively low reservation prices when placing the products on sale. Let's answer the second question. In the challenge solution, did the sales method achieve the same group price discrimination outcome that the firm could achieve if it could set separate prices for loyal customers and switchers? Why or why not? If the monopoly can group price discriminate, it charges different groups of consumers different prices for the same product. It sets $3 for loyal customers and $2 for switchers. Its average profit per day is 2 times B plus 1 times S. We can prove that the profit from group price discrimination is higher than that from the regular sales method. Thank you so much for watching this video and solving the exercises with me today. See you soon. Take care. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you next time.